Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Typeform to GoHighLevel. This is helpful if you're using Typeform to collect leads, survey answers, booking requests, client intake details, or application forms, and you want those responses to automatically move into your GoHighLevel system. By the end, your Typeform submissions will automatically trigger a workflow inside GoHighLevel, so you can follow up faster and keep your pipeline organized. Instead of manually checking Typeform and copying information over, this connection helps you automate the next step, whether that's sending a message, assigning a lead, or updating a contact. Before we start, make sure you have access to your GoHighLevel account and at least one live Typeform you'd like to connect. It's also a good idea to confirm that the Typeform is published and has the right questions already set up, because the workflow will be based on the form submissions coming from that specific form. Begin inside GoHighLevel. From the left-hand menu, open Automation. This is where all your automated processes live. Anytime you want GoHighLevel to respond automatically to a lead, form submission, message, or customer action, automation is usually the place to start. Next, go into Workflows, the area that lets you build step-by-step automations based on triggers and actions. A workflow works like a simple, when this happens, do this next system. So in this case, the Typeform submission will be the event that starts everything. Create a new workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Starting fresh gives you full control over what kicks things off and what happens next. This is useful because you can design the workflow exactly around your Typeform goal, instead of adjusting a pre-built template that may include steps you don't need. On the blank canvas, add a new trigger. In the search bar, type Typeform and select the New Entry option. This trigger fires each time someone submits a response in Typeform, which is exactly what we want. For example, when someone completes your lead form, consultation form, quiz, or intake form, GoHighLevel can immediately start the follow-up process. If GoHighLevel isn't connected to your Typeform account yet, click Connect. A secure window will open, asking you to sign in and authorize access. Approve the permissions by clicking Allow. This permission allows GoHighLevel to detect new Typeform entries and use those submissions to activate your workflow. If you've already connected Typeform in the past, a quick refresh will pull in your existing forms. Tip: if you don't see the prompt, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups and confirm you're logged into the correct Typeform workspace. This is especially important if you manage multiple Typeform accounts or workspaces for different clients, brands, or projects. Give your workflow trigger a clear name so you can recognize it later. Something like Typeform New Entry, your form name. Good naming keeps things tidy, especially as your automations grow. For example, a name like Typeform New Entry Consultation Form is much easier to understand later than a generic name like New Trigger. Now choose your filters. At minimum, select the specific Typeform you want this workflow to listen for. You can also narrow things down further if needed, for example by focusing on a particular form or response attribute to keep the workflow from running on unrelated entries. This is useful when you have multiple forms connected, but only want this workflow to run for one specific lead source or campaign. Filters help reduce noise and ensure the right contacts move forward. They also prevent the wrong automation from firing, which keeps your CRM cleaner and makes your follow-up more accurate. When everything looks correct, click Save Trigger. Saving locks in your selection of Typeform, the new entry event, and any filters you've applied. This step is important because the workflow will not know what to listen for until the trigger is properly saved. You should now see your trigger listed at the top of the workflow, confirming that it will fire when a new Typeform response arrives. At this point, the connection is set up, and GoHighLevel is ready to react whenever someone submits that selected Typeform. That's it for the connection itself. From here, you're ready to build the rest of the workflow with whatever actions you need, like creating a contact, sending a confirmation email, notifying your team, or applying a tag. You could also add actions like moving the lead into a pipeline, sending an SMS, assigning the contact to a team member, or starting a nurture sequence based on the form response. For best results, send a quick test through your Typeform later to confirm the trigger fires as expected and that your downstream steps behave the way you want. Testing helps you catch simple issues early, like missing fields, incorrect filters, or actions firing in the wrong order. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Typeform to GoHighLevel connection. Once this is working, You'll be able to capture Typeform responses and turn them into organized, automated follow-ups inside GoHighLevel.